You are watching The Urban Consultant. My goal today is to help you go inside the matrix, but it's up to you to take the red pill or the blue pill. I'm going to enlighten you on how there are people that's making thousands of dollars on the internet. However, you have to be willing to take the action to be able to see exactly what it is that you need to do in order to make it to that level. There are very simple things that you can start doing as soon as today to start making money. So I'm about to show you a guy that's making thousands of dollars right now online from his bedroom. But it's up to you to be able to see it and to be able to actually do it yourself. But I'm going to show you exactly on how he's doing it, and I'm going to show you proof on the money that he's making so that you can decide if it's something for you or not. So let's get straight into this video. This is ASMR Rich. He has a fat ass Glock in his hand. However, he's not doing what you think he's about to do. He actually whispers to the camera, and people pay him money for that. How do they pay him? By watching him. He monetizes his YouTube traffic by people watching his videos, and ads are being shown on those videos, so he's making thousands of dollars.
Out there because as y'all saw in the first video, well, not the first, yeah, my first, a lot of matte finishes on the magazines, bro. I don't know if these particular guns.
So you might be wondering, how do I know he's making so much money? So I did some research on Google Trends. I typed in ASMR and I did a broad search, and I found that it's 1 to 10 million monthly searches. There's tons of niches just like this that make you thousands of dollars if you capitalize on them early. And this is exactly what he's doing.
First shoe is the Birkenstock, bro. I got some forces, you feel what I'm saying? I got some forces, you feel what I'm saying? Air Force One, Yeezy number 1. I forgot what they call. It feel like a Magnum almost, bro. I don't know if that, like I said once before, I don't know if it's because of the rounds that's in.
So now that you know who ASMR Rich is, I'm going to show you a secret tool so that you can know exactly how YouTubers just like him make thousands of dollars. It's going to show us exactly how much money he makes on a monthly and yearly basis. So for any of you who want to see how much a YouTuber makes, all you have to do is go to a website called Social Blade. And here we are right now looking at ASMR Rich Social Blade. We're going to see exactly on how much is he making per month, basically whispering to shoes and guns. I like to show this, guys, so that you can be motivated and you can find something that you like to do, whether you find it funny or anything. You can make a lot of money doing that. So let's go ahead and look down here. So look at his estimated monthly earnings. He's making up to $10,000 per month, $120K per year, literally whispering to a damn Glock.
This one right here is the Smith & Wesson, the 40 Smith & Wesson, bro.
Do you see what I'm saying, guys? There is no excuse to be broke. You know what I mean? Just sitting on YouTube watching videos, you have to create your own content, because guess what? When you create your own content, you can make a lot of money over time. So imagine you just did a lot of work and now you can get paid for it versus going to a 9 to 5, you're working every single day and you're not really getting anywhere, right? Once you stop working at 9 to 5, you lose money. But here's this guy right here. He's doing ASMR whispering to Glocks, whispering to Yeezy shoes.
We're gonna leave it there.
And you can do the same exact thing. No matter how many people see this video, whether it's 1, whether it's 5 of you that actually decides to do this, it's actually worth trying something. I'm just showing this as an example how people are out there making money doing the simplest things. His last month, he literally did 2.5 million views in the last 30 days. And he's making up to $10,000 per month. And that's not including any type of donations, sponsorships, or anything like that. He could be making an easy $25,000 per month. So now it's time to decide, are you going to take the red pill or the blue pill? The blue pill, you go to sleep, you do absolutely nothing. The red pill, you decide to go ahead and say, you know what, I'm going to actually do ASMR videos. I'm going to wake up, I'm going to get a microphone, even if it's with my own iPhone, and I'm going to attempt to make this content so that I can start making money on a monthly, basis so that you never have to work at a job a day in your life. The decision is yours. The only excuse you have to not do this is by making sure that you hit that subscribe button, that like button, and searching through the channel to watch other videos of other ways to make money online. You need to make the decision. It's time.